You are currently on Earth. Training is complete. The final touches are being put on the massive spacecraft destined for Jupiter. You have taken the first small step. You are now in orbit.
Now, the average distance is 440 million kilometers. Travel time can reach 5 years.
Voyager 1 reached it in 18 months, but it flew past at high speed. Your mission is different. You need to stop.
To achieve a stable orbit, you must arrive slowly. If you come in too fast, you will overshoot the planet entirely.
Let's return to the journey. 7 months in, you pass a familiar face that keeps you company for a short while. Mars. 1 year later, the asteroid belt. Crossing it can be a beautiful journey or a terrifying obstacle course.
Then, 3 years of traveling through the empty, silent, and lonely void. The moment has come. You think of Earth one last time. You leave orbit and move. Activate your supersuit. Descent begins. At 250 kilometers, you enter the first layer, the white ammonia clouds.
You can still see the sun, but it offers no warmth. It is minus 150 degrees. The pressure is half of Earth's.
10 kilometers down, layer 2, dark brown clouds of ammonium hydrosulfide. Sunlight here looks like a dim, dying sunset.
Winds scream at 480 kilometers per hour. Jupiter spins faster than any planet. A day here is only 9 hours.
The deeper you go, the darker it gets. Pressure builds. It feels exactly like diving deep into the bottom of the ocean.
Layer 3. Pitch. Suddenly, the blindness ends. Lightning, 1,000 times stronger than Earth's, rip.
It is your only source of light. You activate night vision. The pressure has now reached 5 atmospheres.
The temperature rises to a comfortable 20 degrees. But don't relax. Everything is about to change instantly.
Pressure spikes to 10 atmospheres. Heat soars to 200 degrees. The air itself begins to feel heavy. You are no longer falling in air. You are swimming. This is supercritical fluid. It is a state of matter where physics gets confused. Not quite water, not quite sky. Just crushing density. As you sink deeper, the darkness fades. The atmosphere itself begins to glow from the sheer intensity of the heat. You must lower your visor's light shield. The glare is blinding. You are entering the realm of metallic hydrogen. Depth, 50,000 kilometers. You are now submerged in a vast ocean of liquid metal. This churning metal ocean is the engine of Jupiter. It generates the strongest magnetic field in the solar system.
Pressure, 2 million atmospheres. Temperature, 10,000 degrees. Your suit is fighting to keep you alive.
It is hotter here than the surface of the sun. Without protection, you would be vaporized instantly. You sink for what feels like eternity. Down through the molten metal, approaching the planet's heart. Finally, the liquid ends. You reach the core. A solid mass, 10 times the size of Earth. You land on solid ground. Rock and exotic ice, crushed under 25 million atmospheres of pressure. Standing here, you realize the truth. The best way to view Jupiter is not from the inside, but from above. But what if you had chosen a different landing site? What if you aimed for the Great Red Spot? A storm larger than Earth itself. It has been raging for 300 years without stopping. Jupiter is not just a planet. It is a mini solar system, with 95 moons orbiting it. Let's look at Io, the most volcanic world in the system. It is literally turning itself inside out. Jupiter's massive gravity squeezes Io like a stress ball, melting its rock into liquid lava. Then there is Europa, the complete opposite. A frozen ball of ice that might hide the biggest secret. Scientists believe that beneath this ice, there is a saltwater ocean containing twice as much water as Earth. If alien life exists anywhere in our solar system, it is swimming in the dark oceans of Europa right now. But getting close is deadly. Jupiter's radiation belts are so strong, they fry electronics instantly.
That is why the Galileo mission was legend. It survived this radiation hell for 8 long years. In 2003, NASA crashed it into Jupiter on purpose, to protect Europa's oceans from bacteria. It hit the atmosphere at 100,000 miles per hour. Friction turned it into a fireball instantly.
It vaporized before it even reached the dark layers. Its atoms are now part of the planet forever.
Jupiter is a protector. Its massive gravity acts as a shield, pulling in asteroids that might hit Earth.
But it is also a failed star. If it had been larger, it would have ignited into a second sun.
Imagine the view from its poles. The auroras there are bigger than our entire planet. Currently, the Juno probe is there, sending back images of storms that look like strings of pearls.
But enough data. Let's end the simulation. You remove your helmet. You are back in the control room.
Your heart is racing. You just experienced a journey that no biological human could ever survive. We explored the clouds, the metallic ocean, and the dark core. We saw the beauty and the horror. The universe is full of places like this. Beautiful to look at, but impossible to touch. And yet, we keep looking. We keep sending our robots into the fire to send us back a signal. The JU-ICE mission is on its way right now. It will unlock the secrets of the icy moons very soon. The JU-ICE mission is on its way right now. It will unlock the secrets of the icy moons very soon. Until then, the King of Planets remains a silent giant, keeping its secrets locked under pressure. Now, I have a question for you. If you had the technology, would you take this one-way trip?
Or is Earth safe enough for you? Let me know your choice in the comments below.
If this simulation gave you chills, leave a like. It helps the algorithm send us to new worlds.
Welcome to the magical forest. The owl, a guardian of ancient secrets, watches over this enchanted realm.
But for now, our mission is complete. The engines are cooling down. The data is saved.
Stay curious, stay searching, and most importantly, stay safe out there.
This was a Nuritan production, bringing the impossible universe directly to your screen. I am your narrator, signing off from deep space. End of transmission.
Don't forget to subscribe. The universe is infinite, and our journey has just begun.